How to publish a website on Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to publish your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First of all, you can log into your squarespace.com and it will take you to your dashboard. So in your dashboard, you will be able to find all of the websites that you have created. So we can also publish a website from here, or you can actually go to your website, open it up like this, and then you can go to the settings. Once you get to settings of your website, then you will get the option of site availability. Right here, the first option, you're going to select this one. And here we have control who your site is available to, and then we have public, password protected, or private. So this is a private right now. All you need to do is just select public from here. Anyone can see the site. Then this means that you will be publishing your website. Once you select this public option in site availability, your website will be published. Keep in mind, you need to upgrade if you're using the free version of Squarespace to publish your website, but it's actually within our settings. So just go to the settings, click on site availability, and choose public. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.